Evaluate the limit of 3 divided by the quantity t plus 2 squared as t approaches negative 2. Well, if we substitute negative 2 directly in here, we're going to get 0 squared, which is 0, so it's undefined. So we have to approach negative 2 from both the left and the right to see if they approach a specific type of infinity or a specific number. So let's start by making a table. So we have t and then f of t. And let's start by approaching negative 2 from the left. So that'll be negative 2 and 1/10. And if we substitute that in here, we'll get 3 over negative 2 and 1/10 plus 2, quantity squared. So that'll be 3 over negative 1/10 squared, which will be 3 over 1/100th, because when you square a negative you get a positive, and 1/10 times 1/10 is 1/100th, or 1/100th. And 3 divided by 1/100th is going to be 300. All right, so now let's try negative 2 and 1/100th. The work is generally going to be the same, but we'll have an extra 0 in here. So I'll rewrite this one. So we have negative 1/100th squared. And when we square that, we will get negative 10,000, or it'll be negative 1/10,000th. And then if we do the division here, we will get 30,000. We can clearly see that from the left, we are approaching positive infinity. So now let's try Now let's work on approaching it from the right. So we have negative 1 and 9/10. So we'll have 3 over negative 1 and 9/10 plus 2 squared. So we'll have 3 over 1/10 squared, which will be 3 over 100th, which will be 300 again. And if we substitute negative 1 and 99/100ths in, we will get 1/100th squared, which will give us 3 over 1/10,000th. And when we do the division, it'll be 30,000 again. So as we can see from both the left and the right, we are approaching higher numbers, or positive infinity. Answer choice D.